How is it going, everyone? Welcome to day 9 of my dropshipping challenge. And for those of you who haven't been here from day 1, I try to upload each day to kind of keep you guys updated, and also kind of to push myself and to have to do work every day. So that's why I do this format. I'll try not to make too much or edit it too much because it takes way too much time, and I have very limited time for this dropshipping challenge, and I don't want to waste it to edit YouTube videos. That's why I just speak to the camera and I'll keep you guys updated like this. But if you want to see like the format where I edit videos, I can change it from daily to like weekly, and then give you guys a weekly update, maybe show you more details in depth, like analytics and everything on screen. But yeah, let me know in the comments if I should keep this daily upload thing ongoing or switch to weekly. Yeah, what happened today? It's going better. As you guys know, I don't have everything of my product because I forgot the remote at another place, so I ordered a new one and ordered a new product because I need two anyways of those to do better videos, and the remote is getting sent to me. What else? Another product came today, so I have another store or another Instagram, TikTok page I need to build and film videos with this product. So I can tell you it's in the like beauty niche, so let's see how it goes. If I can find some videos, if I can find the right angles to do. For the current product, the videos are, I don't know, they keep getting around to 700 views. Instagram is not working at all. Like, I don't know why. I have no idea what happens there, because I just repost the content which I post on TikTok to Instagram, and I literally have like 0 views each time. Just one video that hit 200 views. That's not even good. And also my theme page, which I did for the other product, which I haven't posted a video or recorded a video yet, so because I'm still building the theme page. It's not getting really many views as well, so I have a different angle now. Maybe another way to do videos to maybe go viral, but I don't know, I feel like Instagram is so hard. For the theme page though, I'm getting like, now I have now like 30 subscribers because I do the follow for follow method. So I just keep following people in that niche that like other people's videos or comment on other people's videos, because those are active people. So I follow them and hope that they follow me back. That's what I've been doing. For the other product, I really haven't done anything yet because it's too much to do with the other things and I can't find the time, to be honest. But yeah, the website, I keep getting like 15 to 20 website visitors each day. I haven't had one single add to cart, but haven't had a sale. So today I really researched TikTok ads a lot because of that sale they have. Like, you spend 1,200, you get 2,400, or you get an additional 1,200. So that's why I research ads a lot. I'll go live by tomorrow. I'm not sure if it goes live tomorrow, because tomorrow I will start to do the ads, and I'm not sure if it starts the day after or if it starts tomorrow immediately. So probably maybe the day after. So on day 11 the ads will start, where I test the ad creatives and then see which ad creative is working. Hopefully one is working, and then I'll scale it, either scale that or do a bid strategy or something, which I found online. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Probably for the US market and also for the German market. I try to do it on both. And if that's not working, I'll try Facebook and completely burn my money. I don't know how much I can spend, but we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't matter, even if I spent like $500 or something. Hopefully at least I'll get a sale, like just to have that feeling of that one sale, right? Yeah, until then, stay tuned for day 10. And yeah, see you guys soon. Oh, if you like the video and support this channel, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, so I know you are here, you're watching and following me on this journey. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and bye.